Fisher Barton, we consider the product not just the item itself, but the whole experience, from designing the product, producing it on time, and delivering it on site ready to use.
It really began here in Watertown with blades. As they developed that business, it grew again into the development of specialty products to really be able to offer more to our customer. And then as we continued to advance there on those products, now how do we enhance our product even further through surface engineering? That led to the creation of TST, and then just through acquisitions of other companies as well to how do I further support my customer base.
As one Fisher Barton, our 6 businesses are now aligned to share capital, metallurgical expertise, and employee development to offer our customers a holistic package.
We are in an enormous number of products. We're the leader in lawnmower blades, and then we go into the most advanced surgical devices on the planet and just nearly everything in between. Our core area of expertise is in materials engineering, and specifically within that field, we're experts in heat treatment and surface engineering.
We've found that the characteristic that distinguishes Fisher Barton from other suppliers is our dedication to the science of manufacturing. From the metallurgy to make the part, to the quality controls that go into the processes, we're a supplier that you can count on to supply for years to come.
In order to make sure we have quality parts to give to our customers, everything has to be clean from start to finish. We can't contaminate them with anything, including just even oil off of our fingers. It changes the adhesion of a part.
And so we stand by what we manufacture and the products that we sell. And I think that goes a long way.
Our collaboration with our customers, our ability to bring in our subject matter experts within our technology center and really develop ideas for their next products at the ground level, at the lab bench side of things, be able to test that and take it through all of the phases of development from lab bench to a finished product in our plants. Here at Fisher Barton, we don't like to just tell our customers what we can do, we like to show them what we can do, and we do that by putting parts in their hands.
When choosing a supplier, please consider Fisher Barton. We consider the partnership with our customers the core of everything that we do. From design of the product to development of the prototypes, on through production, to give a holistic package for each supplied part.